Hello, boys and girls. We're going to work through math lesson 6.6 together. We're going to start with our whiteboard. So if you don't have your whiteboard, pause your video, go grab your whiteboard. Okay, so I'm going to start by writing a number on my whiteboard. You can too if you'd like. And what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you pause your video and I'm going to have you split your whiteboard into two parts. And I'm going to have you draw a quick picture on each side. So I'm going to have you draw a quick picture over here and a quick picture over here. Both quick pictures have to equal 123, but they can't be the same quick picture. So you need to pause your video, draw me two quick pictures for the number 123. Alright, so here we go. Here's what I came up with. So for my first one, I'm just going to draw a standard quick picture, 110, 120, 121, 22, 23. That's one way to show 123. The other way I'm going to show 123 is I'm going to take this 100 here and I'm going to break it apart into 10 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then these two tens, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So both ways show 123. Alright, let's go to our first page and see why exactly did Mr. Gentry want us to do that for our warm-up. Our essential question says, how can making a model help when solving subtraction problems? So today we're going to be solving subtraction problems, and we're going to use models for three-digit numbers to help us, which what we just did was we made a model, a quick picture model for the number 123. So let's go to our next page. So I'm on page 421 in my reading street book, and it says problem solving three-digit subtraction. Then there's our essential question, how can making a model help when solving subtraction problems? And so here's the problem we're going to solve. It says unlock the problem. There are 436 people at the art show. 219 people went home. How many people stayed at the art show? So let's see, what do I need to find? Well, let me make this bigger. I need to find how many people stayed at the art show. So go ahead and pause your video and trace this part. How many people? Okay, what information do I need to use? So it says blank people were at the art show, then blank people went home. Let's see. There were 436 people at the art show. Then 219 people went home. Alright, show how to solve the problem, make a model, then draw a quick picture of your model. So if you have your base 10 blocks, you can model this at home. If you don't, that's fine. You could just start with the quick picture. But if you have your base 10 blocks, then like I said, make the model and then draw a quick picture to match. So let's see, 436. 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there we go, there's 436. And let's see, I'm going to actually try to change my color so it stands out a little bit better. Okay, and so I'm going to circle 219 because that's what I'm going to take away. So 219 is 110 and 9 ones. I don't have 9 ones, so I'm going to have to regroup. Okay, and so now I can take away the 9 ones. So all of these guys except for 1. Okay, and so what do we have left? We have 200, 110 left, and let's see, that's 5, 6, 7. So that means 217 people were still at the art show after 219 people went home. Let's go to the next page. Alright, so page 422, it says make a model to solve, then draw a quick picture of your model. So just like before, if you have your base 10 blocks, you can model it with those. If not, just start with your quick picture. So here's the problems. First one, there are 532 pieces of art at the show. 319 pieces of art are paintings. How many pieces are not paintings? Okay, so draw your quick picture and then subtract. Go ahead and pause your video. So here's my quick picture right there, and let's see, I'm supposed to take away 319 because that's how many are paintings, and I'm trying to figure out how many are not paintings. So 300, cross that out. 19 is 110 and 9 ones, so I need more ones, so I'm going to regroup that 10 right here. And 9 of the ones. Okay, so what do I have left? 200, 110, and 1, 2, 3, 3 ones. So that means 213 pieces of art are not paintings. Does your answer match mine? Alright, number 2, 245 children go to the face painting event. 114 of the children are boys. How many of the children are girls? Let's go ahead and pause your video, draw a quick picture, and see if you can figure it out. Alright, so let's see. Here's my quick picture for 245, because that's what we started with. That's how many children go to the face painting event. Okay, and then I'm going to, let's see, figure out how many are girls. So first, I got to take away the boys to figure out how many are girls. So let's see. 100, 110, and 4 ones have to go. And what I have left is 131. So there are actually more girls than boys at this event, and there was 131 girls to be exact. Alright, let's continue. Page 423. More story problems. Make a model to solve, then draw a quick picture of your model. And number 3 says there are 237 books on the table. Miss Jackson took 126 books off the table. How many books were still on the table? Go ahead and pause your video and solve it. Alright, so first you need your quick picture. I'm going to show you what I got for my quick picture and see if it matches yours. So there's my quick picture, and then I'm supposed to take away 126. Okay, and what do I have left? 111. So 100 books were still on the table. Alright, number 4, I'm going to show you my quick picture. Well, actually, you have to solve it first, don't you? There were 232 postcards on the table. The children used 118 postcards. How many postcards were not used? So go ahead and solve number 4. So hopefully you solve number 4. Here's my quick picture for 232. To take away 118, I'm going to probably have to regroup. So take away 100, take away a 10. Can't take away the 8 ones, so I have to regroup this 10 into 10 ones. Now I can take away the 8 ones. And so what do we have left? 100, 110, and 4 ones. So 100, 110, 4 ones. So 114 postcards were not used. Alright, let's skip to the next page and look at the Think Smarter problem. Okay, so it says, at Gregory's school there are 547 boys and girls. There are 246 boys. How many girls are there? Draw a quick picture in the box to solve, and then circle the number that makes the sentence true. There are 201 girls, 301 girls, or 793 girls. Let's go ahead and pause your video and solve number 7. Okay, so you solved the problem. I have my quick picture for 547. I'm going to take away the boys, and whatever's left should be girls. So I'm going to switch colors real quick. Okay, so I got to take away 246. So there's 200, 10, 20, 30, 40. And then I got to take away 6. So that's going to be all these guys except for 1. I'll change the color back. Alright, and so what's left is going to be girls. So 301. So there are 301 girls. Alright, nice job. So on to the homework pages. So you need to do these 4 problems. Okay. And the 6 problems on the back that are review. Alright, good luck.